Welcome to Amor Aromas studio, where scent meets creativity. Join us Wednesday, September 10th, at Blue Organic for our very first Sip Pour Candle workshop. At 1803 Government Street, Suite B, Ocean Springs, Mississippi. Choose from 2 cozy session times, at 1 to 3 p.m. or at 4 to 6 p.m., and enjoy a glass of caramel apple sangria, a personalized charcuterie box, and a guided candle-making experience using pure soy wax and signature scents. Tickets are just $60, with a $20 non-refundable deposit to reserve your seat. Limited spots available. Sign up now at amoraromas.com, email us at amoraromasio@gmail.com, or call or text 504-556-2316 or 228-967-7200. Let's start your candle journey one pour at a time. Amor Aromas, we sell the smell.